Hello, model car fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. And in this episode, we're going to be doing a mail call, which I haven't done in a while. So I had a package delivered this afternoon, and we'll get to see what we have. Let's get over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, welcome back. All right, got everything sitting up here. Let's see. Well, I know what I ordered. I'm just looking to see what the condition is. It's definitely a rebuilder for what I had seen online. But I'd look for this kit is I want to build a series of movie car or TV car models from this series. But, you know, it feels like that's it right there. Let's see. Well packaged. Let's set that aside and let's do some unwrapping. Okay, so I saw this model kit, but they're really expensive, and then I saw this rebuilder, which is fairly inexpensive, and I was like, well, I can't go wrong for the price, so let me take a look. And what we have here will be a Ferrari 308 GT from Magnum PI. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and rebuild this model. It looks really rough, but let's take a look at what we have here. Let's go ahead and get it out. We got some pieces missing, but it looks to be in better shape than I was expecting, really. I got the mirror. I thought I was going to have to source a mirror for it, but I've got the mirror there. Let me try to get this camera down a little lower on my bench here. Try to straighten her out. So let's see, had some little small pieces in there, very dirty, but that's okay. It looks complete, so that's what's important. Missing a windshield wiper, but that's all right. Got a spare tire inside. Overall, not bad. I think this would be a good kit to rebuild. I've got the tire here that was broken off and missing, so that's good. Good detail on the engine. Might be missing some pieces. I'll have to look how all that goes. Yeah, nice little touch there, Magnum PI, so I'll definitely have to save that. But yeah, Magnum PI, who could have been any cooler than riding around like Tom Selleck did in a Ferrari GTS. I guess probably the only person that was as cool would have been the Miami Vice cars. So yeah, I've got something going on here that's making it a little bit I'm not sure what that piece is there, but that was holding the top from going down, but it must be something to do with this back. So yeah, I'm really digging this. So yeah, it's dirty, needs a good disassembly and repaint, but yeah, I'm good with it. I was right at $20 for this kit, and it looks like the headlights might even go up and down. Yeah, so again, thank you for tuning in to this mail call, and we'll see this coming up on a future rebuild. This is Steven, your Scale Model Car Chief. Thanks for watching. Take care.